Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amit Singh from Smile and Shine Dental Clinic. Today we are going to talk about dental veneers. What are they? Where are they used? How should we take care of them? And what are the things that we should know before getting this treatment done? Dental veneers are thin tooth-colored shell-like structures that are attached to the front surface of a tooth to give them a better appearance. Dental veneers and dental crown are two different things. Dental crown encases the whole structure of your tooth, whereas dental veneers only a portion of your tooth structure. Dental veneers, where are they used? Basically, they address the cosmetic concerns of the patient. Suppose a patient has a broken or chipped off tooth, or the tooth size is below average than the normal shape and size of the tooth, or there are gaps in between the tooth. And mostly it is used in those patients who have discolored tooth, such as discoloration can be basically due to use of antibiotics like tetracycline or excessive use of fluorides, or there can be other reasons too. Now let's come down to the classification of dental veneers. Dental veneers can be broadly classified into two. First, based on the procedures involved in placing these veneers. Second one, based on the material used in the fabrication of these veneers. So let's come down to the first one. Based on the procedures involved, it can be classified into traditional or custom-made veneers and non-prep veneers. Custom-made veneers are those veneers that is fabricated in a lab. This involves grinding of your enamel surface that can be up to the level of dentine also. And the other one is no-prep veneers. By the name, it's clear that there is minimum or no preparation of tooth surface at all. These are prefabricated veneers. They are ultra-thin. They are simply just placed over your front surface of your tooth. So the second classification, based on the fabrication material used, it can be porcelain made, that is porcelain veneers, or resin based composite veneers. The difference between the two is shown in this table. You can just have a look. So now let's come down to how should we take care of them. There is no need of taking any special care. You just have to take care of them as you take care of your natural tooth. What is the lifespan of these veneers? These veneers last between 7 to 15 years. After that, you will have to get it replaced. Now let's come down to the things that we should know before getting this treatment done. Firstly, this process is irreversible. What I mean by this is the portion of enamel that is removed during the process of placing these veneers cannot be reversed back. Secondly, these veneers are more expensive than composite bondings. Thirdly, it can lead to sensitivity to hot and cold as a portion of enamel is removed. Fourthly, these veneers are difficult to dislodge, but you'll have to take some special care because some people have the habit of biting on their nails or chewing on pencils or hard objects, so you will have to avoid all those things. Lastly, even after your dental veneers, you may be at a risk of tooth decay, and if that happens, you'll have to get it replaced by a complete crown. This was a small video to just give you a basic idea of what are dental veneers, where are they used, how you should take care of them. So if you like this video, you can share it with your friends and family. If you have any doubts or questions, you can message me on my Instagram, YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.